Ever wondered how to start investing but felt intimidated by the stock market? You're not alone. Investing can seem complex, but platforms like Stashaway aim to make it simple and accessible for everyone. In this video, we'll break down how to use Stashaway to start your investment journey. Stashaway is an investment platform that offers automated investing solutions. They use a robo-advisor approach, meaning they use algorithms to build and manage diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Getting started with Stashaway. Sign up. Visit the Stashaway website or download their app. Create an account by providing the necessary information. Risk assessment. Stashaway will ask you a series of questions about your investment goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. Be honest with your answers, as this information is crucial for building a suitable portfolio. Funding your account. You can fund your Stashaway account through various methods, such as bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. Choose the method that is most convenient for you. Explore Stashaway's investment options. Stashaway offers a range of investment plans, including ready-made portfolios. These are pre-built portfolios designed for specific goals, such as retirement, buying a house, or general wealth building. Custom portfolios. If you have specific investment preferences, you can create a custom portfolio by selecting the assets you want to invest in. Consider your investment goals. Select a plan that aligns with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Set up regular contributions. Stashaway allows you to automate your investments through recurring transfers from your bank account. This helps you stay disciplined and consistently contribute to your investments. Dollar cost averaging. By investing regularly, you can benefit from dollar cost averaging, which helps to reduce the impact of market volatility. Track your portfolio performance. The Stashaway platform provides you with easy-to-understand dashboards that track the performance of your investments. You can monitor your portfolio's growth, track your contributions, and see how your investments are performing compared to your benchmarks. Rebalance your portfolio. Stashaway automatically rebalances your portfolio periodically to ensure it stays aligned with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Important considerations. Fees. Stashaway charges management fees for managing your investments. Make sure to understand the fee structure before investing. Risk tolerance. Remember that investing involves risks. You may experience gains or losses in the value of your investments. Tips for success. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Stay invested. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your investment plan and stay invested for the long term. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification helps to reduce risk by spreading your investments across different asset classes. Stashaway offers a user-friendly platform that can help you simplify your investing journey. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can start investing today and work towards achieving your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.